Okay, 21. So we have to solve 3 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 equals to 1. Okay, so first of all we need to tidy this up. This is something that needs to be tidied up. So I'm going to put this over 1 initially, and I'm going to look at it and I'm going to say, well, there's fractions subtracted. Nothing can be factorized in the bottom, so I'm going to say, well, I need a common denominator. X minus 1, x plus 1, and obviously the 1 as well. Okay, so I might as well put 3 in it. So what's the 3 multiplied by? Well, the 3, if you look what's underneath the 3, is the x minus 1. So it'll be the other 2. Okay, so it's multiplied by 1 and x plus 4. Okay, so the 1 isn't going to have any impact on it, but I'll put it in anyway. Minus 2 times. Now, it's over x plus 1, which is here, so it's multiplied by everything else, and say it's 1 and x minus 1. And the 1, this 1 here, what's it multiplied by? When you look at the 1 here, well, that's taken into account here, so it must be multiplied by x minus 1, x plus 1. Because it's all over an equal sign, I can ignore this. Okay, because it's all over the same thing and there's an equals in it, I can ignore it. So I multiply it out. 3 by 1 is 3. By this is 3x plus 3. Now, 2 by 1 is 2. By x is minus 2x. Minus 2 by minus 1 is plus 2. Equals. Now, no need to multiply this out. So 1 by that is the same thing. So I'm going to multiply this x minus 1 by x plus 1 out. Okay, so that's just this here. Okay, split the bracket. And it becomes x squared plus x minus 1. The x's happen to cancel, so you're left with x squared minus 1. So tidy that up. I'm going to put the x squared first. I'm going to bring the 3x over and the 2x over, so that becomes minus 3x plus 2x. I'm going to bring the 3 over because of minus 3, plus 2 over minus 2, and the minus 1. So this becomes x squared minus 1x minus 6. It's equal to 0 now. So I recognize this as a guide number. So I'm going to do guide number it. Minus 6x squared. So the factors of minus 6x squared that will make minus 1 is going to be 3x and 2x. Minus 3 and plus 2 because I need a minus. So minus by a plus is a minus, and minus 3x plus 2x is minus 1x. So replace that where minus 1x is and factorize it by grouping. So that you're left with x plus 2, x minus 3. Not forgetting this is equal to 0. So these are called factors. So we're going to find the roots. So I let x plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. My two answers for x.